One bad trade doesn't make you a bad trader. One bad week doesn't make you a bad trader. One bad day doesn't mean it's a bad life.
Yeah, best case we could just start moving at the time, but as of right now, we just been trailing around this high. I think we got the volume. The main TP, like I said, would be like the previous day's high all the way up there, but I'm not holding it for all that. I just want to 1 to 2. The rest of August can go kick rocks. I'm trying to move. I need my monies. I need my monies, bruh.
30 people, my age, majority of people in this area, they're not on the same type of time as me.
That was the one thing that fucked me up. It was people that were the same age as me. The fact that they were at the same age, if not younger, and doing way more than me, it hurt. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video. I'm coming from the car, coming to you live from the Mercedes at 9 o'clock in the morning. 30 minutes, we're live. Just another fucking day. My life is very repetitive. There's so many times I just wake up and I'm just like so vision blurry. I know what I'm supposed to do, but it's just like, damn, another day. Because I do the same exact thing every single day. But that's what you got to do a lot of the time. Once you have a process and system that works, keep doing it. If I told you how to make $1 million right now, you would keep doing that shit. If you knew how to make $1 million in 10 minutes, you would spend all day just grinding it out. And sometimes not everything's gonna take 10 minutes. Some things take 24 hours. And all the process that I do takes about 24 hours. I spread about my day, and I do it every single day, to build myself mentally, to build myself financially, to build myself spiritually. All in every different aspect of my life, I need to develop every day to get to the point that I want to, and I got to do it over time because that's how it's built, just over time. Time solves a lot of problems. But nonetheless, like I said, we got 30 minutes. We're going to be live with VIP. We're going to see if we can make some money. Yesterday, got down bad, got cooked up by the markets, lost $2,000, got smacked up, took 2 L's. We're going to see if we can make it back today. If I risk 1,000 again on one trade and I get a 1 to 3, I make 1,000. Make back everything from yesterday. If I get a 1 to 2, make 2,000, I made back everything from yesterday. If I take another loss, if I take another 2 losses, we're going to be down 3,000-4,000. But guess what? There's nothing 1 to 2 trades can't fix. You just always got to remember, one bad trade doesn't make you a bad trader. One bad week doesn't make you a bad trader. One bad day doesn't mean it's a bad life. Let's get to work. All right, we back in the crib and everything. We about to get this call off started, get this tripod up, get this headset on. Got some money to make. The call's already live. I was just like on the call on my phone just because Telegram, we go live on Telegram and everything, so I could easily just be on it on my phone. Is that not plugged in? What's going on over here? Yeah, this is all the shit. I just got to get my microphone and everything all connected because as you guys know, this is the microphone I usually use, and that's a whole XLR mic. So if you know what that is, just know it requires a lot more than just a USB to be able to plug it in to my computer and everything. So it takes some time. It takes a good like 2-3 minutes sometimes to get all this situated and everything, but time is money. Well, yeah, I just found out that my laptop's not even charged, so that's amazing. Apparently it wasn't plugged in, the wire fucking fell. So yeah, that's fun. So this is the shit that you got to deal with when you do all this content. Everybody thinks it's all fun and games. Nah, my monitor's not even like, bro, what the fuck is good? And then I dropped something else again, bro. I'm about to spaz. Oh God, this shit about to have me spazzing, bro. When technology don't work, this shit pissed me off, bro. Especially when it's where you make all your money. Everything I need is online. My VIP, everything. My trading, my content, bro. If this monitor don't turn on, I'm gonna rumble someone. It just keeps beeping, ain't it? It's not gonna turn on, huh? It's not gonna connect for some reason, huh? Just the bottom monitor just doesn't want to connect. There we go. Jesus, we're off to a fun day. We're off to a fun day. Gear reactive. Fly. That could be, yeah, that's the iffy one. That's it. I ain't gonna, I like the shorts, but that's the iffy one. That's the iffy one now. Fuck, I don't know. Yeah, best case we could just start moving at the time, but as of right now, we just been trailing around this high. We'll see. 10 o'clock, last trade of the day. Worst case, I just come tomorrow and don't take a fucking trade. It's just a lot of volume. We gotta wait until that shit hit TP. What is this right here? This is 1 to 7. That's not even TP. TP's right here. That's like a 2 to 2.5. But overall, I think we got the volume. The main TP, like I said, would be like the previous day's high all the way up there, but I'm not holding it for all that. I just want a 1 to 2.
To the max.
I ain't gonna lie, we got cooked again. 2 days in a row. I'm not taking no trades tomorrow. At this point, these markets, they can go fuck themselves. Because, bro, this trade was so close to hitting TP. It's having so much volume. On the US 30 specifically, it's moving up and down 50, 60, 100 points, but it's not going to the TP. Since I'm risking 50, 60 points, not 60 points, since I'm risking 40, 50 points, I need at least 80 to 100 points to get my TP, right? But since it's moving so fast, it's going up 50, I hit TP1, then it comes back to entry. I go up 50, I'm almost at TP2, comes all the way back down. Then it goes back to draw. It's a whole lot of up and down. And it's crazy. I'm not the only one who lost today. It's just, it did a whole lot of volatile wicking, and I got cooked in between. Lost $2,000. Lost $2,000 again. We're down $4,000 the last 2 days. We're not going to be taking those trades tomorrow. Yeah, I just think it's better just to wait for the markets to actually do something that's in our favor and wait for us to actually catch something. Because right now, it's just looking bad. It's just looking real bad for this week. This week can go. The rest of August can go kick rocks. I'm trying to move. I need my monies. I need my monies, bruv.
Just like clockwork. Take a guess how many people are here. For the people that are new, take a guess. For the people that aren't new, I think you already know how many people are here. Absolutely none. You know why? Because majority of people in my apartment complex aren't on the same type time as me. Majority of people my age, majority of people in this area, they're not on the same type of time as me. That's why I'm trying to get up out of here. That's why I'm trying to move to a different area, move to downtown, move to where people actually work from home, move to where people are making a lot more money, have a lot nicer cars. People are gonna be active in the gym. Even though I love the fact that nobody's here because it's like a private gym and I get all of this to myself, like on a day-to-day basis, I wanna be around the energy because I would be wrong if I didn't say that working out with other people felt good. I like having the energy of other people on the same path. Trust me, it's one thing to be going for a PR by yourself versus having somebody spot you too. But neither here nor there. We just got to put the work in to get that apartment complex, to get to that next level. I got to work just as hard as you guys. Trust me, I'm in grind mode right now. Videos every day, multiple channels, trading every day, active with VIP, marketing all my businesses, just going crazy every single day. And I'm in the gym, so let me put you on this here, and we're gonna get this workout going. Take this bag off, get this microphone on here. I get a nice little podcast or something. I'll probably put on some Wes Watson, bro. I forget who it was. It was somebody, I don't know them by their name. I'm not even if I didn't know you by your name, I'm not gonna call you out, but bro. They basically had a comment on one of the videos like, why do you listen to Wes Watson? He's corny. I'm like, bro, why are you worried about somebody else? Why are you worried about, for one, what I'm listening to, and two, who I'm listening to, and three, why are you worrying about somebody else in my comments? It just doesn't make sense. Worry about yourself. Don't do anything that's gonna be a negative task. Like you doing that did nothing for you. Trust me. Let's get this workout. And with that being said, we about to put on some Wes Watson. Animal watches that. I got you, birdie. Get this headset on, get these weights. Now it's time to lock in. Lock the fuck in. Being in the gym is a great way to get into flow state. Like me listening to Wes Watson right now, noise canceling headphones. You guys might hear a little bit of music in the background. I don't hear the music right now. I'm just locked in. No water, no food, just strictly mind listening to the content, body pushing the weight, just boom, moving with it. And I'm not thinking about anything else. I just realized that. I'm not thinking about anything else until recording this little section right here. But before that, when I'm pushing the weight, listening to podcasts, I'm not really thinking about anything besides just listening. Being a student, I spend a lot of my day being a teacher, being a mentor, being an educator. I also got to spend some of my day being a student, continuing to learn. Just sit there, take the knowledge in, apply, and take action. Success isn't hard to get to. It just takes time. This rain is crazy, bro. I'm just trying to get to my car.
Right now I'm just driving, right? And I was just thinking about something that's is kind of heavy on my mind. Like, bro, there's so much that I have right now that I dreamed about. There's so much that I have right now that was a goal in my life at one point. And it's a lot of the time I get caught in the moment. I get caught on thinking about the next thing, think about what I'm going to do next, think about the next move, think about what I'm about to work on next. I forget about how much I've actually done and think about where I am. I remember there were nights I would literally cry, bro. Cry before I went to sleep, just staring out the window. Just think about a different life. Just think about me having a different life. I would watch YouTube videos of other people doing exactly what I'm doing right now, driving in their cars, same age as me. That was the one thing that fucked me up. It was people that were the same age as me. And now if they were 10 years older, I'm like, all right, I can give it some time. But the fact that they were at the same age, if not younger, and doing way more than me, it hurt. Because I know my potential. I know what's possible. I just wasn't doing the work. I simply wasn't doing the work. And looking back at it, I didn't deserve that life yet. I wasn't doing anything that would give me that life. You got to do the work that's going to give you that life. It doesn't happen by accident. Me driving this Mercedes doesn't happen by accident. Me getting this new apartment doesn't happen by accident. Me winning trades doesn't happen by accident. Me posting videos that get views doesn't happen by accident. Nothing happens by accident. Don't let anybody tell you that you need to be lucky. Luck plays a part in everything. We don't know if anything's ever guaranteed. So there's a form of luck in everything. But nothing is ever only lucky. Nothing is ever only luck. Nothing. Nothing. Everything you want can be earned. Everything you want can be worked for. You don't need to be lucky. You can put the work in. It may take longer than you expect. It may be longer than you want. But what you want doesn't matter. The outcome is what matters. Doing what's required is what matters. And it's just, you gotta be appreciative. I've accomplished so much. I'm driving Mercedes. I live by myself. I make a living by myself. No job, no boss, no nothing. I could die tomorrow and I don't, like, God forbid, but I've achieved a lot. And I live a life that if I were to do this the rest of my life, I would have a way better quality of life than the majority of the world, even just doing what I'm doing with the little things that I have. But the job's never finished. You gotta fear being average. And in my opinion, this isn't average. My life isn't average right now. But it's not that next level yet. It's not where I know I could be. It's not my full potential. I know there's more in store, and that goes for everybody. There's more in store for you. The life you have right now isn't the life that you can only have. You can have so much more. You just got to put the work in every single day. Have a community of people that are working every single day. Surround yourself with people doing the same exact thing. Trading, creating content, entrepreneurs. Don't surround yourself with people that work jobs, that don't go to the gym, if you're trying to be in shape and be self-employed. Think about it.
Dunkin' Donuts. I'm about to grab some food here, and it's actually been a while. I used to come here a lot.
Like around the phases where I really was down on my money, I really wasn't seeing a lot of success. I wasn't seeing a lot of money. Like I was looking at my bank statements from a couple of months ago, just because I had to get bank statements for the applications and everything for my apartment, and I was looking at how much I was making and everything. There was months I was making $1,700, bro, for the full 30 days. I was making only $1,700. Here, let me order this food real quick. Hey, yo, apparently you can start ordering the sun. It's basically like a mirror. They put a mirror, it's like a company, I forget. Look, right there. That's crazy. Sure, the pickups. But like I was saying, I used to come here a lot, especially because it was cheap. I literally just paid $7, got myself a medium French vanilla iced coffee. That's gonna give me some sugar to stay awake, give me some caffeine to just be a little cracked out. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't be taking pre-workouts or anything, even though I went to the gym and everything. I just like a little iced coffee. I've been I've been drinking hot coffee, like when I go to First Watch of recently, which is different. But, I like a little coffee sometimes, just a little something wake me up a little bit. Her coffee keeps me short, so, might kind of fuck myself with that one. But yeah, Dunkin' Donuts, man, we came a long way. One of the reasons I go out a lot, spend a lot of food on money, bro.
Food on money?
There was so many times where all I could afford was 4 for $4s at Wendy's. All I could afford was going to, like we just went to just now, to Dunkin' Donuts. There was a lot of points in my life where I just couldn't afford expensive food. I physically couldn't. There was points where I had to literally start cooking because I couldn't afford to go out to eat no more. And that's what comes with it. You gotta go through the hard times to understand how to appreciate the good times and learn how to stay with those good times. Everything I've gone through was for a reason, because it teaches me everything I needed to know to be in the position I'm in right now. Because guess what? I don't need to go through that bullshit again because I learned from my mistakes. And even if I didn't learn from mistakes and I'm just saying that and I'm not actually learning from, I'm gonna have to learn the hard way. And that's what comes with it. Not everything's gonna be easy. Not everything's gonna be all fun and games. It's not. It's for life. Reality of life. You go through shit, you gotta learn from it. If you don't learn from it, it's gonna happen again. But like I said, getting back to the crib, nice little talk about my old past, but fuck them times. These are the new times. We only focus on getting better, making money. Let go.
And now back to the behind the scenes of my daily reality. But it's that time of night. We about to go get some food. What you looking at, Nova? What you looking at? We about to go to like this Italian place. I never been there. She said she'd been there before. I don't know. I'm gonna get the same thing that I would get at Olive Garden or Carrabba's. So we about to see how it is. And then we go end the vlog off. It's already, I don't know what time it is. It's like 8 something right now. It's 8:10. Not too late, not too early, but I'm hungry. Let's go.
That place small as hell. Small ass Italian
I
place.
can thank your mom for this one because she reminded me of it when she said like mom and pop. They produce small things.
What to eat? Park. Alright, I just ate food. I'm in bed. That food was good. Oh, I probably would have rather the Olive Garden. But that's just me. The bread is a winner. I would have paid $100 for at least some bread. At least some bread, like make it worth my while. Finish editing this video, get it out to you guys. Then we active again in the morning. I'm not gonna be trading tomorrow. I am gonna be live. You could probably hear the dogs in the background just like fighting it out. I'm gonna be live, but I'm not gonna be taking trades because the last 2 days have been L days. So you know my rule, if we have 2 L days, don't take trades on the third. It just keeps me in the game. It keeps me from losing too much. These dogs wildin'. Let me get one up. Nova, end the video, man. But we're gonna be active in the morning, like I said, 9:30, as always with VIP. So if you're not in VIP, join VIP. If you wanna learn how to trade, get the free trading course. Get on the free trading webinar. Oh, I'm getting punched on. No, not. But I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. We got a daily video coming tomorrow. Yo, I have this dog in a headlock right now. But like I said, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Stay safe, stay productive, and I'm gonna see you guys in tomorrow's video.